Hello everyone, my name is Janki. As part of my digital marketing journey, I have created a fully functional website that is pottery services website. I named it as Clayzo. In this presentation, I will briefly walk you through how I developed the website, what are the key steps involved, what are the overall process I followed from start to finish. Let's discuss in brief. So going to my website now. Guys, this is my website. In this website, I have used Astra theme. I customized the entire theme here based on my requirements, and I designed each and every section in this website to match the look and feel for my project, what I wanted for my project. This is a navigation bar. I have used 6 pages in my website, and this is the logo. For this logo, I made this logo with AI. I have given some instructions to ChatGPT so that the ChatGPT given prompt, with the use of single ChatGPT prompt, I made this logo in Google Gemini AI. And goes to the home section, guys. This is the homepage of Clayzo Pottery Services. For the hero section, I used an image slider in the background and added a shape divider to give it a more elegant and modern look. I also added a text over the image slider to highlight the main message. So just scrolling down, here I have given a brief intro about our Clayzo website. And I included our services too here in the homepage section. This tells about the brand and overview of the pottery services, what we offer, such as training programs, online supplies, studio setups, and what are the workshops we are conducting in this website. All I mentioned here. And just scroll down, we have our another section also that is called as our stories. This is a completely blog post, guys. In this section automatically displays the posts from the blog page under our stories. So visitors can see new updates directly on the home page. And I also included a small contact form here so users can easily reach out without navigating to any page. See here, I have added a background image and I have added the background overlay shadows to highlight the text here. And this is the footer section, guys. For this section also I added a background image and added a soft background overlay shadows to this background image so that the text will be highlighted more. And in this footer section, I have used 4 columns. In the first column, I added the Clayzo logo. In the second column, I placed the navigation menu bar. And in the third column, I used the training section. And in the fourth column, I included the address. With these links, the visitors get directly redirected to their respective pages. Let's take an example. I'm clicking on this. I'm selecting this YouTube link. It will be redirected to the respective YouTube page. But here I have added my YouTube channel name. So I'm coming back to our website. Now this is a quick overview of the home page, guys. And let's move on to the second page that is called as About Studio. Yes, in the About Studio page, I have highlighted the core concept behind Clayzo Pottery Services. I explained the vision of our website and how we conduct workshops, how the studio is set up, and what are the communities all about, and the testimonials all are covered under this section, under this page. So I selected relevant images and customized them by adding border radius and soft shadows. See here, soft shadows I applied for the images to look clean and attractive. And also I added short descriptions for every section to make the content easy to understand. That's the overview of About Studio page. Now let's move on to the training section. For this trainings page, I have added the first section as a background image, and I used the background overlay shadows for this background image to highlight the text here. And in this training page, I listed all the courses and workshops available on our websites, such as like a basic to intermediate and advanced level, and rest of all are workshops only. We mainly offer two courses like basic and advanced. Apart from these, the rest are all workshops only, like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour workshops. So based on the duration and content, I added separate prices for each course and workshop. Here for each course and each workshop, I added the respective images with the border shadings, with the border settings like doing radius at the corner and applying box shadows to look these images more elegant. Okay guys, this is the overview of the training page. Let's move on to the gallery page. The main highlight here is in the gallery page is the gallery section itself. So here I highlighted the images gallery with a 3D look. It has beautiful slidey 3D look. To achieve this effect, I used shape dividers along with the custom paddings and margin settings. The shape dividers help to give the gallery a modern and layered appearance. And also, I included different types of pottery services in this gallery page, like ceramic ware, stoneware, earthenware, terracotta, bone china. Each category includes an image along with its name, so that to make the images look elegant, I applied soft shadows, border radius, and light image effects like hover to enhance the overall visual look. This is the overview of gallery page. Now let's move on to the next page, that is called as blog. I'm clicking on this blog. In the footer section, it will be redirected to the blog page. Now this is the blog page. In the blog page, all the posts we write on our website will appear under this blog page only. So to set up this blog page, we have to do two settings. So we have to go to WordPress dashboard and go to the appearance. In that appearance, we have the option called as customize. In that customize, we have an option called homepage settings. In that homepage settings, we have to put static as home and for the post as blog page, so that the post will appear here. Once this is done, your blog page will automatically display all the posts what you create in this website. And also I added a blog post section in the home page. As you know here, this is a blog post section. In this, whatever we created, whatever we written the post, the recent post comes here also. So I'm again going back to the blog page. And also one more thing guys, from home to gallery and contact, the page layout is different, and for the blog page the page layout is different. Why I set up this blog page means, generally the blog page will contains the sidebar. How I done is, go to WordPress dashboard, in the blog page set the layout as sidebar layout, so that the page will appear like this. And I didn't tell you how to add posts in this blog page. So for that, we have to go to dashboard. In the dashboard, in the left side menu, we have the option called as post. In that, we have to select add post and give a heading, image and content and publish. Whenever you publish, the post comes here, but make sure to add a featured image for each post so that the image appears like this. And make sure to give a same resolution to all the images in the blog page to get more elegant look to your blog page. Otherwise, one image will be small and another image will be big. It will give you more or to your blog page. To avoid this, make sure to set a featured image resolution is same for all the posts, so that the blog page look elegant. And in this blog page, I have added the widgets like search, categories, recent posts, subscribe newsletter, and calendar also. When you click on any date, it shows all posts published on that day. So that's how the blog page is created and customized. Now I'm going to the contact page. For this page, I used a simple background image with a soft overlay effect to make it look elegant. Here I added the address map, and along with that I added a simple form. For this contact form, I used the Fluent forms to give it clean and modern design. And for this website, I have added two additional features like WhatsApp button and chat AI board. With this WhatsApp button, users can directly message for inquiries, and with this AI chat board, It allows the users to interact with the website without leaving the page. They can ask the questions and get guidance and engage easily through this AI chatbot. See here, I'm selecting this bot retainings basics. Whenever I'm selecting this, it asks again the question as please type your number. When we try to type the number, if we enter like this, see, may I know your email address? It keeps on asking the questions to engage the visitors without leaving the website. So I'm writing the email like this. See here, it is validating whether this is email address is valid or not, and it is asking again to write the valid email address. So I'm entering the like the format, what the format we follow for the email. Now it is taking the email ID and given a response. Like the way this AI chatbot will respond. So that's it, guys. This is my complete project. Thank you so much. In the next presentation, you will see the shopping cart button here so that the visitors can directly do shopping from our website. So let's see in the next presentation. Thank you.